Welcome to CondoLogie.
In this video, we will send communications. So, if we go inside our user procedure manual, we can see that we have one of the models, the one that we are going to use in this video. It is an ordinary communication. Okay, it is just to send a word in a format that is well framed. So we copy the model. What I suggest you do is ensure that the model is adapted to the reality of your condominium. If we wanted, we could go to the CondoLogie website where all the models are available. If we go to the bottom of the CondoLogie page, we see here communication model, and that takes us to all the models. So you take the model. You make sure to save it as a model that reflects your condominium, and then from that you will be able to use it. So, if we come here, then we go to our co-owner's file. Well, quite simply, in the management of the unit, we paste the model that we want to send to our co-owner. That's it. So it's all well formatted. Then we check, send the communication. Then we save the file. That's one way of proceeding. Another way, more at the level of acknowledgements of receipt. That means that if we have received documentation, a payment, whatever. There are different models here. They are all there, they are available. So if we now take the model of a monthly contribution, we want to tell our co-owner that we have received their payment and then say thank you. At that point, we add monthly condo fees and save the file. It's as simple as that. So at that point, if we go to the CondoLogie email box, we have just seen that the acknowledgement of receipt has just arrived. So this is our ordinary model with added text. Thank you very much for your help. If we go back, we will have the acknowledgement of receipt of the monthly condo fees. So there is one that is used by a model and the other that is pre-formatted in CondoLogie. We're going to go back inside our co-owner's file because I still owe you an explanation. You must understand that we sent email communications simply by adding text in this box and checking send communication. And we sent another communication simply by determining the acknowledgement of receipt of payment. So that's a simple way to send two emails. We can also do the same type of communication in the Board of Directors Activities Register. We'll see it a little later. But what I'm trying to mention to you here is that it's a basic system. We have the possibility of integrating a complete email system from either a domain name or Zoho Mail, and even connect your current system or email address. You have to remember that I am associated with Zoho Corporation. I am a Zoho creator partner, therefore a developer. So what this allows us to do is directly connect our application with a complete email system. It's much better, much safer for a few reasons. In fact, there are administrators who will use their personal emails to communicate between co-owners or bidders or all kinds of communication. At that point, the condominium does not keep a copy of the email, and that becomes problematic, because eventually, you will not be able to reposition an email that has already been sent or a discussion that has already taken place. So what I suggest to you is to attach a complete email system either by a domain name or by Zoho Mail with the CondoLogie application.